Hello, please briefly introduce yourself and the company you represent.
I'm the Manager Director of Hydraulics Network in Australia. We represent M+S as the sole distributor in Australia and New Zealand. So my company has been established for 20 years. We are located in Brisbane and Melbourne. We're a wholesale in the industry, so we supply major OEMs and resellers into marketplace. We started the business in 2004, mainly producing hydraulic cylinders for the marketplace, and we have progressed in the market, adding products such as M+S as a complete package supplier to the industry.
You took over the business with M+S just less than 1 year ago and the youngest member of the M+S family. What made you decide to buy the business from a long-term distributor of M+S?
Good question. The owner of M+S was 72. We had been long friends, 30 years, and the transition for me to buy the business from the owner was a very good business. The M+S motor was a motor that we wanted to introduce into Australia to compete against the Chinese with a quality European product. So the transition between Hydraulics International and Hydraulics Network is now merged. The major OEMs, major clients in New Zealand, Australia, such as Bosch Rexroth and Cottage Industries have accepted and welcomed the merger, and it's been highly successful.
What are your first impressions?
Oh wow, my first impressions of M+S was amazing. My background is engineering, and the first impression was wow. I was impressed with the size, the massive size, the machines, the Mazaks, the robots. It was amazing. The people, when I first met the Manager Director and the staff of M+S, it was very impressive. They made me feel welcome as part of a team, and it's evident now that they regard us as partners in the business, and I feel very, very blessed.
What is the general perceptions and what do customers in your market associate M+S with?
The M+S market for Australia is now of a high quality European manufacturer, somebody that they can rely on and supply. Now that we have a large stock holding and we continue to increase our stock levels, the M+S market now in Australia is only going to improve as a solid supply line and alternative to the major suppliers in the marketplace.
What common goals would you identify on this first for your distributor meeting?
Probably the first thing I would emphasise is the distribution model in making sure that all the distributors operate within their own areas of primary responsibility, support back from M+S, and I think that the alternative in the market field to produce quality units, the increase of the new product development is so important, and the communication between M+S and the ability on the website to read and have access to the back end through their website distribution key is crucial.
Where do you see your cooperation with M+S in 10 years?
We have a family involved in the business, so I see it passing on or progressing through acquisitions in Australia. We see a golden opportunity to take on some of the older companies that are the baby boomers of the world that are retiring, and the possibility of expanding our business. So we see a long-term relationship and a big investment from our side because we see the big investment from M+S.
And last, for you, M+S is?
It's a possibility of working with their engineers, working with their development side, their team, their marketing side, and a possibility of growing within Australasia together to work towards increasing our stance in Australia and becoming a stronger distributor.